Are you thinking about starting your own membership site? Let's talk about 6 frequently asked questions that people often have when it comes to membership businesses. Number 1, do I need to be an expert to start a membership site? Absolutely not. Some people stop themselves from starting businesses because they think they have to be the best in the world or know absolutely everything about a topic before they can start getting paid. Imposter syndrome is real, but don't let it stop you from moving forward with your membership business. The reality is that you probably already have a decent amount of expertise in something that you can monetize. Even if you're just a few steps ahead of your members in knowledge or skills, what you know is probably valuable to others. Often, members just want to get to the next level, and the help you can give them might be all that they need. Plus, you'll continue to grow your skill set over time, adding value to your offer. Number 2, can I run a membership site all by myself? You can, and many membership sites start out like this. Just remember that once you start growing your business and getting more members, eventually you might need some help with things like customer support and custom development. Tools like WordPress and plugins like Paid Memberships Pro offer almost the same fundamental features as many all-in-one platforms do. This combination can get you up and running in no time, and without being a developer. Number 3, why should I start a membership site instead of selling my services in person or one-to-one? Or instead of running an online store with one-off purchases? Well, one of the key benefits of running a membership site is the recurring revenue. While selling your services in person, one-to-one, or starting an online store are totally viable options, the fact is that the membership model offers a more predictable and stable source of income. Selling products and services as one-off purchases is great. It's just also relatively unpredictable when it comes to your sales. You just never know what you're going to get. The membership model also has an element of community to it. When people are paying you monthly, engaged with your content, and interacting with your website on a regular basis, it naturally creates a sense of belonging. And this is a feeling that a lot of people are after. Number 4, how much does it cost to run a membership site? Very little, actually. While there are plenty of fancy solutions out there, you can actually start a membership site for less than $100 a year. Hosted membership solutions can be costly, but if you use powerful free tools like WordPress and Paid Memberships Pro, all you really need is a domain and a web hosting plan, both of which are actually pretty cost effective. Number 5, is starting for free really a good idea? It's true, free isn't always best, and as I mentioned, there are lots of paid tools that will help you create an outstanding membership site. But if you're bootstrapping your business, starting for free is a really good idea. The main reason is that it allows you to test out your membership site idea with minimal risk and investment. This means that if your idea fails, you're not out hundreds or thousands of dollars, not to mention all the time that you've spent. Number 6, which membership plugin is best for starting a membership site? Okay, we're a little biased here, but the reality is that Paid Memberships Pro is the most complete membership plugin for WordPress, and it's 100% free. In fact, our free plan includes more features than many of our paid competitors. Here's Kim Coleman to tell you more.
Hey there, I'm Kim Coleman, and I'm co-founder of Paid Memberships Pro. Paid Memberships Pro is a free and open source WordPress membership plugin. For over 12 years, we've been helping creators like you monetize their content through a subscription model. We support sites like associations, courses, communities, podcasts, paid video sites, and more. Check out this software that's used on over 100,000 membership sites today.
So you can easily launch and grow your membership business with PM Pro's free plan. Plus, you can always upgrade to one of our premium plans later if you need support, multiple site licenses, or you want to do things like accept PayPal and credit cards at the checkout, gift memberships, or drip feed your content. If you're ready to get started with your membership site, you can download PM Pro for free right now using the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified whenever we release a new video. See you next time.